Right, so a lot of people are asking how loud are these pumps, and to be honest, depending on how you fit them, they can be really loud and really annoying. I did have mine with a bit of carpet behind it, screwed up to that, but you could still hear it thudding against the boxing in. Also, I've got mine fully boxed in with a lid that goes on there and a lid that goes on top, which helps a hell of a lot, but you could still hear it. So some smart cookie come up with the idea of just hanging it with cable ties, which was a great idea. Well done to you, because it works an absolute treat. It is not touching the body whatsoever. It is literally just hanging there. There's no thudding against the body. It can't thud against anything because it's not on anything. Just to wrap up quickly, people will comment on the position of my pump. I'm aware of it. I've had it like it for 6 months. It's working fine, so I'm going to leave it as it is at the moment. What I'll do is I'll start the heater up, and you can hear the difference for yourself. Right, so that's running on full power. And personally, I can't hear a single bit of thudding or ticking away from that pump. I'll take the lids off, and you can hear it ticking. But that ticking, I don't know how much of the phone will pick that sound up, but that ticking becomes a thud. And that thud there, even with the boxing in on, travels through the bed and everything. You can hear it easy. They keep you awake at night. It's just hanging like that. You can't hear a thing. So yeah, it's made a massive difference. That's on full power as well, remember, so I'll put the boxing in back in. Can't hear nothing. I don't know what the phone's going to pick up, but I can't hear anything. And bear in mind, that's full power. See, I wouldn't have mine on full power anyway. I'd probably have on half of that, which is a slower pump. It is quieter, it's slower ticking away. And that's it. I can't really hear anything. Right, so there you have it. All done. If there's any questions you might have, simple questions, I'm not great with the real technical stuff. But any simple questions that you've got that I can help with, just fire away in the comments. I'm happy to reply and help back. If you like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.